crazy. Go.
I'm pretty sure they can't see.
All right. Now, so here's what we're going to do. In just a minute, we're going to count down. We want you to throw the airplanes and then pick up other people's airplanes and throw them.
Keep throwing them.
Once again, we want to make sure that your first and last name is on the airplane.
There might be a reason why.
There is maybe a reason why.
All right,
so here we go.
On the count of, I want you to count down to 5.
We're going to count down to 5.
And then,
we need some more energy in this room. Come on now. 4, 3, 2, 1, throw. Hit the morph, guys. Hit the morph, guys. Get up. All right, here we go. We got 50 seconds left. 50 seconds. You're disqualified.
What? All right.
Here we go.
We're on. You guys
Morph
are
guys.
there it is.
Morph guys, we need some airplanes. Here we go. Get up here.
Again,
we got
hashtag the social me. Put this on Instagram.
Wait a second. This.
What is that?
This is not an airplane.
That's just a piece of